Hi, today I'm going to show how to hide a drive in your PC temporarily. As you can see that there are many drives and I want to hide this drive H, which is of 16 GB in size. Okay, so go to this PC, right click and go to manage. Then disk management. Now find your drive. Mine is in the bottom, drive H. Now right click and change the drive paths. Simply click remove. And you could see that the drive is gone now from the list, but be rest assured the drive is still in the management. And now to get this back again, simply go to add and add a letter to it. I'm adding H to this and this will be visible like earlier again. And yes, this is now again working fine and visible too. Now you know how to hide your drive if you need and get this back again. Okay, and I hope you really found this video useful and please subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.